Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use your cruise control on your smartphone too. For this, we have to have a seat in your car and accelerate it, of course. To switch on the cruise control option, you have a steering wheel on the left side, you have a knob. And there is the cruise control sign. And then you can enable this. This shows an icon in your display too. Now it is online. To switch the kilometer per hour which we are driving now, to store that, we push the set button on the right side of our steering wheel. Push it, now it's saved. Now the cruise control is enabled and we can release our foot from any pedal. Now cruise control will accelerate until it reached the saved kilometer per hour. To switch up and down the speed limit or the speed cruise control option, you can push the set plus or the set minus button on the right side of your steering wheel. So you can accelerate or come down a little bit, slower a little bit. On the smartphone 2, we cannot shift to another gear while we're using the cruise control. In this case, the cruise control will be disabled if we perform this. To switch off or temporarily switch off the cruise control, we can push the cancel button. This will cancel the programmed value of the speed. To come back, to resume, we can push the resume button on the right side of our steering wheel. And then the previous saved value will be enabled again and the cruise control will be driven again as you like. To switch off the cruise control, push the brake pedal, job's done. Cruise control will be disabled. Otherwise, you can disable it by pushing the lever on the left side of the steering wheel to the off position. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.